Where's our darkest mark? Where's our darkest
in your underwear?
Oh, that was good.
You like that? The darkest mark is in your underwear.
Yes.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our next episode of modification.
Right.
Craig, my main man Edward here, Dr. Flo Creations on Instagram. You can catch the channel on Instagram at Midlifecarisis. And in today's video, we are going to be doing another modification to my 2004 AMG SL55. We're going to be doing a steering wheel replacement with this one I found on the internet.
A wheelie.
Yeah, real wheelie that I found something on the internet.
Okay, let's see.
So this is a used AMG steering wheel. It was already pre-modified. The guy I bought it from, who's a recycler, it was from it's already been outfitted for a 2003 SL55. So let me show you why I want to replace this damn steering wheel. Stock 2004 steering wheel looks like crap. It's got this positive and negative. I don't know. But the paddle shifters are on the back. Check this out. It looks like what did you say? It was like a Nintendo controller?
Like the Nintendo.
Like I'm playing Mario Kart.
Super NES.
Yeah, The Legend of Zelda.
It sounds like it for sure.
Anyways, we're gonna keep the original airbag, all the commands for the command system, which doesn't really exist, but all the menus and everything, pick up a phone, Bluetooth, volume, all that's gonna stay. So we're gonna remove this, get rid of this old dated steering wheel, and update it to the new AMG more performance steering wheel. All right, first step, when you're messing with any airbag, steering wheel, whatever, so you don't have a bunch of codes to reset when you're done, we're gonna disconnect the batteries.
That's right.
You have two batteries. You've got your front battery and you've got your contour battery.
Yes.
So every SL55 person who's ever got the dreaded red light contour battery offline, we're gonna take it offline on purpose because we don't want Edward hair to go that way versus this way.
Right.
So
it will punch you in the face with a great amount of force.
So first and foremost, disconnect both batteries. So which one are you disconnecting?
The negative, people.
Negative. Again, you bring negative energy. Literally,
I just disconnected the negative energy
in your hands.
But yes.
All right.
I guess we want to
all right. So take off the negative.
Tuck that
around.
around.
That way you don't hurt yourself. And then we got to head to the back.
You can see there's another negative. All of the power is now disconnected from the vehicle. We cannot have a big boom in your face.
All right. So on the back of the SL55 steering wheel, you're going to have these little divots. Little access holes to get to the two Torx that are holding on the airbag. These have to be removed. Not exactly sure what size Torx it is yet. Edward's gonna walk us through that, but just on the new steering wheel, I want to see, you're gonna have to feel around them. You're gonna basically push right through the leather, and it's gonna go right into the two screws. The GCF
Did you get this? Hey, I'm Craig's car. He treats me very good. I like it.
I'm about to take off your mouth.
It's like a mustache. Right? Like a Muppet of an AMG.
So, one of the things that Edward and I discovered is that because the dash is so close to the steering wheel, that you're gonna have to use a really short screwdriver with the Torx on it. And you ended up using like a small socket set or something like that.
We made something.
What size Torx is that?
The T30.
T30. So, short Torx T30 get you into both of those holes.
That's
and
it.
Then it makes your airbag talk to you.
Yes. Careful with this next to your extremities.
So what you want to do now is make sure to ignite the airbag so that it goes right into Edward's jump.
Don't do that.
No, that's not what you do?
No.
No, okay.
I had my children.
All right. So looking through here, so these two right here, the yellow and the green adapters, those need to come off. Those stay with the steering wheel, are going to go back through.
Yeah, don't disconnect those.
What do you mean don't disconnect them from here? Disconnect them from here. No? The opposite? You want to do it from there?
There, from the clock spring.
Okay, we're going to do it from the clock spring.
I mean, have you done it from here?
No.
Yeah? Yeah?
Well then, okay.
Does that look very safe to you?
No, I think that has an ignition, a charge in it.
Exactly.
All right, so take it directly from the clock spring?
Yeah.
What do you need, sir?
We're going to need a pick to get up inside of
You're
there and a light so I can see what I'm doing.
And a light. So he's just taking a little flat tip screwdriver and trying to get the little pry point there. All right, so based upon where the airbag connection is, hold on!
I'm not even.
You
I'm
look
just
like you're about to
messing around.
pop your.
I'm just messing
Your
around.
eyes are
I
coming out
haven't
of your
even twisted
socket.
it. I haven't even twisted it. That was good.
So
the look on your face.
just so we make sure we don't bust any clips.
Right.
You want to go ahead and take the hex and go directly for the connecting bolt.
Back there.
Okay. So standard. That's a 1/2 inch with an extension. And what size hex do we got?
It looks like this is a 10.
A 10.
An H10.
All right. Sounds good. H10.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You're not gonna be able to do it.
I don't think so either.
I think you're gonna need the breaker bar.
Huh? First thing you're gonna want to do is polish up on your jiu-jitsu skills.
Yes.
And then you're gonna want to come around like you're gonna break someone's neck, and then you're gonna go.
And you may need an impact.
It's not gonna work. I told you.
No.
No.
No, I know it wasn't gonna work.
Where's your impact?
I have my impact.
Let's do it.
All right, stand by.
Action.
Breaking Bad. Oh no, we already broke it. But
We broke it already.
breaker
That was
bar,
fake.
extension, and now we are taking it out.
So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a little mark
Why are you making the mark?
because we want to make sure we're indexed.
Indexed for what? Like for flashcards?
Yeah, indexed for putting this back on straight.
You decided that there's an easier way?
Well, I'm gonna free this up because I don't want to tear these wires. We're gonna have to move it and disconnect it from the clock spring. But as of right now, we're gonna pop it off the airbag, which I normally don't like to do, but we're gonna do
got
it
little
today.
clips you just pop right up.
Yep. We hold the airbag, sir.
Yay, we did it.
Haven't gotten there yet.
We
We're
haven't?
not out of the woods yet, sir. Okay.
You ready?
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
We're missing. We're missing.
What are we missing?
Some stuff. You see this?
What?
Those need to come off. That needs to come off right there.
Yeah.
We have taken this piece out, okay, which is going to be our paddle shift triggers. Okay, this is why we're putting that 9-volt battery in here, so we can send a signal into this. Now what happens is that all you have to do is get your screwdriver, small screwdriver, in here. You see that? See that little slot? Okay, you're gonna take that and you're gonna just pry it out and it'll come right out. This guy's gonna stay inside the clock spring, okay? He's very difficult to remove, so we're not gonna take him out. We're just gonna slide out all of these connectors through this little portal right here. When the
Clock spring intact.
Yes, keep the clock spring intact because once that thing comes apart, woohoo, you ain't putting it back together. Remember, we have it. Where's our darkest mark? Where's our darkest
In your underwear?
Oh, that was good.
You
I'm
like
gonna
that?
give you that
The
one.
darkest mark is in your
Yes,
underwear.
yes. Can we get some mics so we can bump mics like that show?
Boom.
Follow me for the Energizer Bunny.
It's lithium.
Lithium! 9 volts of lithium fury behind an airbag. Whose choice was that?
Mine. I don't want you to ever have to replace it with that battery. It's not like I
The
know how to
combination of this and the airbag,
What?
I don't know, man. We're just gonna let you live your life. How's that sound? No questions asked.
Not even a quarter mile at a time.
Not even-
I'm more like around the block and back.
I live my
My
life an off ramp at a time.
I live my life a parallel parking spot at a time.
There you go. There you go. Okay, big thick mark centers out. Big thick mark centers out. I used that big thick red mark and I lined it up against this yellow mark. And then I just
Dude,
can't.
well, let's put 2 steering wheels in.
You want to do 2?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can do left turns, I'll do right turns.
That would be so awesome.
Dude, that would be so
Can we do one of
fudge.
those driving school breaks too? Where's our airbag, sir?
It's
We're gonna
under
have
my
to
legs.
find some room. So without plugging this in,
All right. You're probably going to be somewhere, I don't know where you're going to be. Wow.
we're gonna be live.
That kind of fits already without even placing it.
You know it does, but my question is, I don't want you to be turning and feel like a
Yeah, no.
That's gonna transfer right through the frame of this bad boy. Do we have any foam, something
Sure we can find
soft
some.
that we can wrap this and make a spongy?
Like a little spot for it.
Yeah.
All right, let me go look.
Okay,
Perfect foam, flat, soft, easy,
malleable.
malleable. So I don't have electrical tape, but I got something different.
Yeah, I like the cloth tape.
Yeah, this friction tape. I thought I was buying electrical tape.
No, it's great stuff. I love that stuff better.
It is?
Yeah, because it doesn't. The glue soaks into this.
Oh, nice.
And it stays on there. Aside from the electrical tape,
I knew
just
that when I
rubs
bought
off
it.
on the wire.
I knew that.
I knew you knew.
So that Is it going to help with the vibration?
Yeah, well, it's going to keep it from rolling around in there. I mean, you'll start with a 9-volt and you'll end up with like a watch battery because it'll turn into a rock tumbler over time. Yes, exactly. And that's not good, especially when you got lithium behind an airbag.
Yeah.
All right, you see what I'm doing here? I'm getting all this blue crap out of here. That's going to be some old Loctite. Now, what I don't recommend you do is this with any red Loctite, because red Loctite turns into like a glass. Like a fiberglass.
Hey, Edward, guess what I got? Red Loctite, because I thought red was better than blue. And because
just telling you.
I know, but see, Amazon blue Loctite I could not get prime delivery with. And I had no idea that red was not what we needed.
Super.
So you're gonna be super careful and not mess it up.
If you thought breaking this thing loose before was bad with the blue, the red is definitely.
Well,
but we're just gonna go one drop. One drop. One drop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
it's coming. It's coming. It is definitely red. Bam.
That's all we're gonna put on there. Okay. We're gonna squish it around a little bit. It will get in the threads. Too much of this stuff, dude, it's gonna be so bad. Too much of this we won't get it back off.
Are you tightening?
Yeah, we're gonna start cranking this bad boy down.
Wait. The audience needs to know: is it righty tighty or lefty loosey?
Righty tighty.
Your torque wrench, my liege.
I present to you Excalibur.
All right. So, for you European people, 80 nanometers. I don't know. Could be nanometers, but for newtometers. 80 newtometers. And for us U.S. people, it's 59 foot-pounds for the reinstalled torque.
59. I was betting 55.
No.
And I was very close.
You got it set?
I had it set for 55.
All right, you got it.
That was my bet.
Are you ready to hear it click?
Yes, we're ready.
This is such a satisfying click.
Hey. Dang, that's a lot of pressure.
That's a lot of torquey. Oh, we got the click.
We got the click.
That's where you got it.
You want to click it twice, or you want to?
I don't know. What do you? Do you trust the click?
I trust the click, especially at 59 to hold a wheel in. You know what I mean? That's just a lot. Yeah, that's just a lot. I feel like it's excessive. For the best results,
are you confident?
Make sure that you take these. Now this is all horn and display little buttons right here.
Yeah, those better work. You know why?
Why? We never hooked them up to stereo?
No, we didn't. We never hooked them up to stereo. I'm not worried about that. I'm because I might want to scroll up and down. I don't know.
You might want to scroll. I might want to scroll, man.
I care about scrolling.
I want to do the scroll. All right, so we've connected those two, and now
our paddle shifters.
Paddle shifters are in the house.
All right. First and foremost, we got to make sure stuff works.
Let's make stuff work.
You know, but I'm wondering, the first and foremost is we got to hook the batteries up to straighten the wheels, turn the wheel.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get the batteries connected.
Batteries.
All right.
A few moments later.
The steering wheel feels very nice, actually. Very, very nice. So let's, no airbag lights. So we are good. We definitely still need an alignment, I can tell, just a little bit. So I don't think it was that way before we changed the steering wheel. But as you can see, drives well. Woo! It's going up and down just fine. Super excited. I think it looks awesome. As always, Edward does a great job.
Left to right, show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right, keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice. Oh, you wanna try? Ooh, left to right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the SL55 steering wheel swap. Looks great. Wasn't too bad. Pretty easy.
Pretty standard stuff.
I think it totally improves the look of the interior of the SL55. And like I said, that yellow could be a surprise for some other enhancements of color coming to the SL55.
Accents.
Think maybe kind of the black metallic opal, the dark blue with some yellow highlights. But as always, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, Edward, for coming out. Appreciate it as always.
Fun, brother. Always fun.
And we will see you in the next video.
All right. Take care.